6980BW. It's gonna go to Cadillac 0506 to 11. And this is a mounting the harness that I'll be using. It's a AXDIS GM13. It will work with the SWC. Hopefully it's got a built-in one. I don't have to put a universal one. I hope they do, but we'll find out. So what I'll be doing, I'm gonna strip all the wire. I will explain the one that is supposed to be connected and not connected after I crimp it. I just pulled the 2.5 V amp, which is this wire. I'm gonna color the color, and what is not left, the main thing was the black wire. I have to find it's over here at DIS GM13. So this got like a maybe 10 feet the light green right here. I'm gonna tap it with the two black wire that come from the radio, and this is the harness. Now starting with the yellow and then red. So as you can see, I put white to white, white black to white black, green to green, green to green to green, green black to green black, gray black, gray, purple, and purple black. And then I have a blue white. It's gonna be connected to a let me see if this got blue white. No, it doesn't have blue white, so I'm gonna connect it to the blue. It's power constant, so I mean remote amp turn on. So I'm gonna hook it up to this blue white right here. I didn't really read the instructions, so all you need is the here's a couple wire that you will need. All you need to hook up was gray, gray black, white, and white black. The rest of them, the green, the purple, you don't have to use them because it does not require that. Brown is not used, so I'm gonna cut the one that I don't need to use right here, that I don't need to use. So if you're looking at this, you got blue pink is a speed sense. I'm not gonna hook that up. Green purple is reverse signal. I'm not gonna hook that up because it doesn't have a camera. And then light green is parking brake. Yeah, I'm not gonna connect it to that one. I'm just gonna ground it. Light green right here, I'm gonna ground it. I'm not gonna connect it to this one. So if you do connect to that one, you have to step on the brake to watch anything or use any screen signal. But this doesn't have a DVD, so you're good. So I'm gonna cut that off. Now if you are going to hook up the backup camera, you're gonna need that purple with that green purple, the 3 wire that I taped right there. Right here, that actually it's not green purple. Yeah, it is green purple. So that one, if you need to hook it up, you got to run from your radio to that green purple. But if you're not doing anything reverse camera, don't worry about it. So now I got to go access and program the steering wheel control using a Pioneer and a JVC that I bought, so I can set it up. I don't have to you would just have to pry it out, go to a computer, plug it in. You need one of this wire that transferable. I don't know the name of the wire at the moment, I forgot. So now it's gonna light up green. We're gonna go to updater, access updater right here. So we're gonna read the configuration is unknown, so I just put JVC and then write, and that's it. Simple as that to do on the programming. Now I will plug these wire, the amp wire, plug it in like that. It won't go in if it's not the right one. So the big long thick wire, plug it in here like right there. This gonna go to the back of the radio that say SWC, or maybe I had to use one of the Where is that? We need this screw, this piece right here. Hopefully we don't have to use it. Now I'm gonna need my 99 2007 mounting kit made by Metra. If you are doing a single DIN one, you need to put it on in here like that, and then you have other bracket that came with it and put it on there. But I'm not doing a single DIN, I'm gonna do a double DIN, so I gotta get this JVC. As you can see, I flip it upside down, I will flip it right angle. So we're gonna look at the XL, mean it's a left side, and then I'm gonna put this on the left side this way right here to the mounting, the main one, and then the XR, which is the right side, just like that. Now if you were about to install, how you gonna put the radio in there, front or the back? Yes, the back one. So we start putting the radio like this. This is the top, so this is the top, so you wanna going like this. I don't know if I can hold it with one hand. So, and put it upside, yeah, now it's upside down, backward. I'm confused with that, but anyway, I put it all the way down like that. It's gonna stop like this, see? So what I can do, but make sure there's nothing, there's not sharp metal or anything on the bottom. So now I just use screw and screw to this one, and then screw to that one right there, and this one. So you got 4 screw. As you can see, you got screw right there and screw right here. I'm gonna flip it back up. That's what they're gonna look like right there. Looks good, huh? You don't have to take this out yet. So let's go to the car. Well, no, actually I got one more thing to do. There's a couple more things. There's this one, but you cannot use this. That's beauty ring. This antenna, Bluetooth. I gotta hook up Bluetooth. So we're gonna come over here, open the door. We're gonna put the Bluetooth from here and pull this out right there. It's pretty easy to pull out, but make sure your hand is not dirty. Came with the sticker, 3M sticker both sides. You want to take a flathead and pry this out. You'll be able to push this wire to the radio. This 3mm jack. Now you got 2 Phillips you want to take down right there. So, on how much you guys can access to tools, I did have an this grabber, wire grabber. So you push that, and then this open up, and then you put the wire in that holes right there, and it will grab. If you don't have it, just reach your hand in there or put like some sort of wire that you can pull it and pull it out. So I put a sticker right here. I'm gonna slide this in like that. Here I'm gonna run the USB out. Some customer like it over here. I usually put it over here. That way they can just put the wire, plug the phone wire, USB wire, and pull the wire over here, because over here they can kick it or so on. Do an amp install also, so I'm gonna hook up to this subwoofer right here. Let me see where's the subwoofer at. It will say subwoofer out. Yep, subwoofer out. It's only 1 jack, so I'm gonna have to put a Y connector, 1 male, 2 female. I will now plug the antenna. Antenna's got this dip right there. Usually they come with different color looking, but as long as it's go in, make sure you put this light green back here. We are halfway there. We're gonna plug in the antenna to this antenna right here. We're gonna plug this GPS antenna looking like right here. We're gonna screw it right there, put it in, and then screw it so it's tight. And you're gonna need one of these right there. It's gonna come with the JVC for the steering wheel control. You're gonna hook up the brown wire to this blue and yellow, which is remote cont. Hey, I forgot what that cont mean. C-O-N-T, remote something. I don't know what that means, but anyway, I know it's related to power. So we're gonna plug this into the jack, the 3.5 millimeter jack right here, the aux cord looking. And now you're gonna have that Bluetooth that we ran from there. We're gonna put it to this mic right there, and then that's it. The rest of them just plug to the plug right there. Oh, I'm sorry, you don't need this one. You need a different kind of antenna. I forgot that this antenna's got this right here. It's the smaller, I think GM10 or something for the antenna. This is what you need right here, and I kind of thought that was the antenna. I don't know how I thought about that, but so this will go somewhat like this. So you put the gray to the gray, and then the black to the black, and then one of my customers bought a used wire and asked me what that blue wire for. The blue wire for go to the pink. I'm not exactly sure what it is to the pink. I know it's not an amp turn on, and then most of you see this, what the heck is this? And this, if you have a backup camera or like some sort of screen or something. Oh, I hope that's not one of there's a backup cameras on this screen right there. I did not see a backup camera on the back, so it's not a backup camera, but usually they are for backup cameras. Now before I put everything back together, I'm gonna test the steering wheel control, see if it will work. I'm gonna put it down just to see. You see that red wire right there? It's still red. Put a certain way so you can see that. So according to the I haven't read the manual yet, but usually to program it, all you have to do is push your volume up a few times. What they call, what's that word said? Simon. Shit, I cannot say that. Simultaneously, some shit like that. But yeah, that's what it's called. So I'm gonna turn the radio on. Oh, where's the key at? Let me find the key first. Simultaneously. Shit. So hard to say that word. Wow. I'm not gonna try it no more. It's embarrassing. I live here over 40 years and I can't say simultaneously. So it's red. So I'm gonna put the power and tap until it's go red, I believe. I'll hold it. Oh, I gotta turn the radio on first. I forgot to turn the radio on, so radio's coming on right now. Now it's green, so I think we are good. Let's see. It's coming on, give it a couple. Change that. English. No camera, just put finish. Agree. And put radio station first. Uh-oh, where's the sound at? Chop a little bit piece right there so it'll fit, because this one will fit some other newer, some of the new ones a little bit different. So I'm gonna turn it back on again. I don't know why I had to, can't come on the accessory. It had to start it. So yep, it's starting. Remember, this is 2008, guys. It's let me see, 30 something years old, guys. So bear with it. Agree and press source. Yep. Woo. Damn, I just realized I mounted backward. So I put it backward, guys. This is probably the bottom, so you got to flip it upside down. What I showed you earlier, disregard that. Just flip this upside down, it should work. Few thing I want to tell you about. You want to like take the E. They said E. You see the E. you can take that out so you can reach this piece right there. S, you want a certain number S, so you want to take E out so this can come out. Let me see the antenna. Yep, right there. You see all this thing had to come out, this had to come out, so we keep an S mainly so fit. If not, you're gonna have a hard time trying to fit it in. And as you can see right there, it's gotta go in this spot right there. See, both of these spots gotta go in. So now just put the bolt back.